At least we're spending the last day of 2021 fishing. Well, fish on. What do we got? Little bluegill. Yeah, little bluegill. Not bad for almost January. I'll take anything right now. There we go. What is this? Another gill. There we go. He ain't getting away. They ain't getting away. Yeah, they got their winter colors going on. Real pretty fish. Copper color mixed with some purple. All right, go back in there. I'll tell that northern I said hello. Another bluegill.
Put that on that fucking bobber.
Oh yeah.
Swim around.
Yep. Look, there's a bluegill right there. All right, another little guy. That one over by that stream looks a little bit bigger. There's like a little current thing. He was just sitting right there. What do we got here? Another bluegill. Let me tell you, these things aren't that big, Don, but they're fat.
Yeah, I know, they're well fed.
They're very well fed. Oh, look at the mighty bluegill fight. He's fighting for his life. Oh, not a bad one. Oh, yeah. Probably. Good little gill. He's gonna go back in there. Time for a smoke break. I bet you upstream there's a fuck ton of them just hanging out. But getting to them's a whole nother story.
Yeah, it's rough terrain back here for sure.
Yeah.
Take you an hour to get fucking 100 yards through that thick ass shit.
Oh yeah. Then you'll carry half of it home with you.
Yeah.
Took me 20 minutes to catch you.
Probably the biggest one in the lot.
Yeah, Jesus. This thing's the size of my hand. I've been waiting for you. You know, if the rest of your school would just turn on, that'd be great. All right, be easy. There he is. Pretty bluegill. Oop. Yeah, we're gonna send him back. Back in your hole. There we go. It's recording now. Little largemouth. Maybe we'll take this. Whoa! Take this little guy. He's cold. He was like right on. I was jerking it on the bottom. Yeah, he's on the cold. Dude, look at him.
Yep, I see that. So he took a notch out of him, and he was caught in a net one.
Yeah. See that, folks? He's out on the other side too. That might have been a really big catfish or a freaking northern for sure. Try to eat him some point. Looks like this guy's a fighter.
Yeah.
I tell you, man, these river fish, man, you never know. They're tough. They're really tough. We're gonna let him go. See you later, buddy. Oh, yep, we're just going to push some crap down the road.
You got a toolbox?
I don't know what that is.
Grill?
You never know what you find in the back roads in Indiana.
Right.
Hopefully it doesn't fall over.
Like a fucking fridge someone turned into.
Is it a smoker?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's awesome.
Fuck you, can't help me. Fucking asshole laughing at me.
Alrighty. He must have ate the baby.
That's fucking weird.
There's a guy. There's a guy back here pushing a stroller with no baby in it. Lefty freaking White's wearing a Bears jacket. What the fuck?
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh God, where the hell are we? We can't tell you, folks, but man, in Indiana, you never know what you're gonna see driving down the road. This is nuts.
That's fucking crazy.
We're where the brain eaters live at in the state.
There's only 2 last names back in this end of the county.
He's like, yeah, I gotta work off that freaking 6-month-old I ate. Freaking weirdos, man. Lift weights at your house. I don't know, do some like Diamond Dallas Page yoga or something, man.
Well, I would have understood if he like had weight in that stroller and was pushing weight, but he's pushing an empty stroller, lifting weights. It fucking throws you off. It's like, what's the purpose?
Is it a ghost baby?
Right?
Is that Steely?
Yeah, little baby one.
Oh, cool.
Get him with both hands here so I don't hurt him.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a little baby steelhead. Cool.
Let him go. Gotta be careful with these guys.
Oh yeah, they get big. A lot bigger later. Good job, Don. You definitely read that water right.
Yeah, there's a big one under there. Whether I'll get him to bite or not, I don't know.
Get him, Don. There you go. Let's get a closer look at him. Oh man, folks, it was quite a bit of an adventure getting over here, but
Little brown trout here.
Don's beating the shit out of some trout. Wow, that's pretty.
Look at them red spots on him.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, and you gotta be. Look at the red on his fin.
yeah, real pretty trout.
Yep.
Not bad for Indiana, huh?
No, and you gotta be real careful with these guys when you handle them. Get your hands wet first. Be gentle with them.
Because we don't have many of them around here. Yeah, I was just thinking walking up here, I wish there were some browns in here, and sure as shit, what do you pull out? Another little brown. Whoa. Oh yeah, well baby.
Yep.
That's cool.
Yep.
I tell you folks, it's one day before January. And
New Year's Eve today.
yeah, it's New Year's Eve. We got up at what, 5 a.m.? Yeah. I got my first little steelhead. Little baby guy. He's gonna go back. Get that real pink stripe on him. See you later, buddy. Bob her down. Another little trout.
Yep.
All right. Ain't too shabby. We're catching fish in almost January.
They're small, but it'll work.
Yeah, they're small. Well, that brown was a decent one. But like I said, folks, we'll take anything right about now.
In one of these runs, we'll come across a big steelhead. They're in here. There's a few winners coming in. There's still holdovers from fall.
Yeah.
There's another one. One sardine after another.
One sardine.
I'll see you in about 4 or 5 years.
It's crazy how fast they grow too.
They're on steroids.
They are eating machines. Oh, here's a good one. Oh, better one. Here you little steely. Shit. Easy, buddy. Yep, there he goes. Yeah, Indiana's got such a diverse assortment of different species of fish. Ooh, that was a better one. Another steelhead. Pretty guy. I'll let him go. There's one. Easy, buddy. Yeah, little babies. Let me help you out, bud. There you go. Ooh, there we go. Another steelhead. Good little guy. Yeah, we're just kicking their asses.
Too many down there to kill.
Right.
Just need one of them big fuckers to come out.
Oh, yeah. Don's got another one. I'd say we at least caught 12. I don't know if all of them were on camera, but they are a little on the small side, so. Well, that brown trout, that thing was beautiful. It's a baby from the hatchery. There you go, buddy. Got one. Oh, this little steelhead inhaled it. We can get it out. There we go. See you later, buddy. I'll see you when you're about 20 pounds. Okay, so I'm not even tipping this jig. And we're gonna go in there and get another little one. Send it, nope. One had it. Well, these guys are so small. We'll have to say it is fun. Oh, here we go. Another little baby steelhead. Oop. Shit. They're tough. Jesus. That's a huge ass creek chub. It's like the mother of all creek chubs.
Dinosaur.
That thing's bigger than the trout. Muck boots built tough. Yeah. I'm gonna have to like change on my front porch. So I'm gonna have to change on my front porch. Give everyone a show.
Oh yeah, if I wanted to go walk in a house like this,
I'd get murdered.
oh yeah, pick up my balls out right now. It drives me out.
I'm totally kidding, but should I bite the head off one of these like Ozzy?
Bet me a cigarette, I could look like a bite Google's head off and shit. Oh yeah?
Ooh. Nope. Oh, we got another one. Yeah, it's like they're eating everything. Winter micro ultralight fishing for fish that within another, oh shoot, there we go. Fish that, you know, in about a year or two would totally thrash this tackle. No doubt. 4-pound test line. Yeah, can you say see you later? Now, these guys are pretty though. I better just keep my hands wet. Water's real chilly. This is just fun. I wish I would have brought some beer. Yeah, not in today's episode, folks. It's a pretty nice day. But it's going to get really cold really quick, and this is going to be like the last nice day we get for a long time, so why not spend it a little bit of it outside? Oh, what do you... No, fuck. Yeah, fuck. I almost got it, man.
I just barely saw him right here. Must have just hit him in the deep.
Yeah. Well, we'll know where to get them next time. But unfortunately, the folks at home won't. We don't mind showing you what to do, but we like to keep our spots quiet.
There we go. Got something on here.
Oh, that's beautiful brown. That's what we're after, folks. Don had a rough start today. Yeah, a bigger one. Yeah, we saw it. I got it on camera. You find it.
Yeah, this looks a lot more brutal than it is. But
You saved them. Yeah, that's pretty. Look at those red.
yeah.
Beautiful brown.
Yep.
There you go, Don. Had a rough start this morning, but you sure as hell turned on the freaking heat.
This tricky. You just gotta be persistent with these holes, man.
Yeah.
Trying to go through as many of them little ones. It's like when you're fishing the other trout streams. Creek chuds will drive you crazy, but you just gotta sift through them.
It's worth it.
Man, those are pretty brown.
Yeah.
That one I lost, dude, he was dark caramel color.
Well, I gotta sift through 15 pockets. There's my letter. Another cookie cutter.
Like a big smelt.
Yep. Well, folks, thanks for tuning in and watching us. We're getting ready to get on out of here. So happy New Year, and we'll catch you in 2022.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.